My work area is a complete and utter mess. I have not made comps since around early January after the Christmas rush. I ended up taking a few months off to try and finish up my master's degree. So now that I'm officially done, I want to go ahead and get back started making cups, which I'm excited about. But in order to do that, I need to get a little organized. Well, not a little organized, because if you can see here, it's kind of complete madness. I just started throwing stuff back here whenever I get like a new shipment of glitter or a new printer or anything like that. I would just put it back here. Since I wasn't making anything, I didn't feel it was necessary to kind of put it in the right spot. But now that I want to get started, it is time to go ahead and get that done. So I'm not ready for this, but better now than never. So I guess you guys can just watch me clean what the finished product looks like. We'll see. done, but this is just an update. My husband actually came outside and helped me to move the bricks. There was a bunch of bricks that were right here. So he moved those and kind of stacked them nicely, kind of give me a barrier here. and we put this thing up here. It's a little step right here, so we just pushed it up to kind of give me more space. So I went ahead and put my turners up here just to give them a stable spot so they're not wobbling while I'm working, which they used to do. I moved my other cup stands here just for, you know, when they're drying, they're curing for 24 to 48 hours. I leave them right here while I start working on other cups so they're not taking up the turners, just sitting there. I have my supply of cups down here, as well as some acetone. I have some of my supplies, gloves. I started actually making keychains here for a bit. So these are just like some of the ones that I had and we're just playing around with. So I have this open space here to work on my cups, do whatever I have to them. And then over here I went ahead and had this thing in my room that was holding my makeup, but I mean I don't have that much makeup, so it was useless back there. So I went ahead and took the divider out, put in my papers and all supplies here for like t-shirts and everything. Then I put my printer on top, and then I went ahead and moved my Cricut here. That way it's a free space behind it and it's not like bumping into the wall, which is what it used to do when it was sitting over here. So I have like more room to work, I feel like. And then I have all of my glitter here on this thing, this cart I got from Amazon. And then my spray paints. I have my little cup holders for the turner, like little extra supplies, scissors, mask, tape, all my extra tape for Serape Designs. And that's pretty much it. Over here I have my heat gun, torch. I have a heater for when it gets cold, during the colder months. It takes your cups to cure longer if you're, you know, in the garage like I am. So you're gonna have to put a heater next to them so they can cure faster. But I'm not done. I'm still gonna finish kind of organizing, cleaning the garage out because the rest of the garage looks a mess. I kind of just cleaned my area for a bit, and my husband's gonna come back and help me, and we're gonna finish up. Alright, so I think I'm done. It's not the cleanest area, but it's the best I can do with it being in the garage for right now. So it's organized, and I kind of did it in a functionality kind of way. So like I said earlier, I have my glitter over here. I had this board, and I can't remember. Oh, it was from our pool table actually. I had this board, and I went ahead and put it up behind this area to kind of like separate from the garage. So it's kind of like a true workspace for me. There's some of my glitter, Cricut, printer here with the paper, a little workspace, everything else over here. I forgot my electric sander earlier, so I have that down there with the cups. And I have some ornaments actually. I started doing ornaments for Christmas, so I have a few extra down here. I have these down here that I made just with glitter, spray adhesive, and ornaments from Hobby Lobby. So I'll have like all my little extra cups and stuff down here. Then, like I said earlier, turners. Then I have my cutter, my boards, my light grip, strong grip, and then here is my adhesive collection. I mean, it's not a lot. I tend to just go and buy whatever like my customer wants at the time, because you never know. So I have that, and down here in this last drawer I have my vinyl for t-shirts, which I don't really do t-shirts that often. I don't honestly really like doing them, but I just have stuff down here for like myself, for like family that wants a quick t-shirt. And then I take my pictures of my cups with these wonderful little faux rugs that I got from Amazon. And yeah, so I think Oh, okay. Okay, cool. So I think it's not too bad. Last thing I need to get is another chair. I need a rolling chair. I've been working out of a different kind and it broke. So this is the final look at things.